Hey there, Terry Draft again. This is our last demonstration of slow motion knee kicks. So if you're on a hill like I am, face downhill, shift all your weight to one side, hands are on your hips, stand on one foot, find something to stare at that's not moving. Whatever foot you're standing on, put that hand behind your ear. Pulling up the other leg, I like the 90 degree. And then the kick out is slow motion, just kicking out. If that's too difficult, or if you've got a hip or knee issue, you can keep it low and just kick out. Okay, that's all that one is. And then let's just add one more quick thing, the forward fold. Super simple, feet together. And this one you can not lock your knees but straighten out your legs. Bring your arms all the way up. Big inhale. Exhale, just fold forward all the way down toward the ground. Feel it play in your shoulders. Bring your arms out as you stand up. And then same thing, inhale, exhale forward. Out and up, inhale, exhale forward. There you have it.